everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexia, for those of you all who don't know. In today's video, we're going to get into a review. I'm going to be reviewing a restaurant slash food truck called Waffle Love, so stay tuned. So doing my research about Waffle Love, it is a food truck, and it's also, it does have like standalone stores as well. It's in Arizona, I think it was Colorado, and also in Texas. So if you are not from Texas, you can also get it in different locations as well. The location I'm trying today is in Round Rock, Texas, which is kind of the outskirts of Austin, if you're not familiar with the area. But yeah, stay tuned and we'll get into some great waffle love, and I'm excited. We are officially here. I'm waiting for my food. I ordered 2 different types of waffles. It's really cute in here. The music is pumping, so I'm excited. So this one right here is called the Cinna Love. I will tell y'all what's in the ingredients because I forgot. And then of course the infamous chicken and waffles. When I first entered the restaurant, it was really appealing. It had a lot of art on the wall, the music was loud, they had a good playlist going, and it was just really inviting and welcoming when I first came in. You walk in, you'll see the menu. Again, they had specialty waffles. The waffle I got savory and sweet. So I got a chicken and waffles waffle, and then I got one, it was called Cinna Love Waffle. So the chicken and waffle was just chicken and waffles. They had a fried chicken breast. There was 2, they were pretty big, and it came with a waffle. So I recorded like a piece of the waffle just so y'all can see, and the waffle was kind of like a croissant. Like it had like layers in the waffle, which was really different, and I kind of did like. It was kind of sweet but not too sweet. So yeah, the waffle was a little bit different, which I did like. So my first bite into the Cinna Love, it tastes literally just like Aunt Annie's like cinnamon sugar waffle. If you go to like the mall or anything like that, it tastes literally just like that. It also came with like a cinnamon butter and a cream cheese drizzle. I didn't get the cream cheese drizzle just because I have a dairy intolerance, but if you are not intolerant to dairy, I would definitely recommend getting that, because it was a little bit dry without like any other like liquid on top of it, I guess. So yeah, if you're not dairy intolerant, definitely get like some liquid or like something on it. The chicken and waffles, it came with 2 sauces. Well, one was the like syrup. It's kind of like it was kind of like honey. I mean, I like honey, but I don't like honey to a certain extent. So it tasted a lot like just straight raw honey, and I feel like that was too like rich for the waffle. Like, I don't know. I personally disliked the syrup they had. It was like a honey syrup. Like, I don't know. It was just, it tastes too much like honey, and I didn't like that at all. But the waffle was good by itself. Again, I would probably get something else wet because the waffle was a little bit dry without anything. And then also came with another sauce. It was called Awesome Sauce. I wouldn't say it's awesome, but it had an acquired taste, I guess. It was kind of like, she said it was similar to cane sauce, but I didn't think it was similar to cane sauce. It kind of had like I'm assuming it was like a mayo base, and it had like seasoning, I guess, in it, but it had like a horseradish taste. So it's kind of like a little like zing like on your tongue. It wasn't nasty, but it wasn't the best. I personally could do without it. So yeah, it was all right though. It wasn't nasty, it wasn't horrible. Let's see, overall I would rate this out of 10, 10 being, oh my god, the best food I've ever eaten in my entire life. I would give it a, I don't know, a 7. No, I'll do a 6.5. I'll do 0.5. So a 6.5. So the reason why I'm giving it 6.5 is because, one, the waffle was dry without anything. Two, this is kind of petty, but the drink station didn't have any ice, so it was kind of like, I don't know, like lukewarm, I guess. Like, I don't know, it didn't have ice, so I was like, okay. And the sauce, like the honey sauce and the awesome sauce, kind of just threw off the meal for me. So those are the reasons why it's not a 10. And I guess those are like four bads. But overall, it's a really good place. It's cute. The music's nice if you want to go on a cute little date. Let's see. Yeah, it's cute. The food was good. The chicken was seasoned. It was crunchy, crispy, just how I like it. It was tender, so there's nothing wrong with the chicken. The waffle, it was unique. It had like the croissant layers, but it just did lack a little bit of moisture. But overall, like I said, I would give it a 6.5 out of 10, which is passing. Technically, it's a D, but it's passing. But it's good. I would definitely go back. I would probably choose something different on the menu. The menu is not very dairy friendly. It has a lot of whipped creams and butters. But if you don't have like a dairy allergy, then I would recommend going there. I got some of the things off the menu and just took off the dairy products. So I mean, you can make do with it, but it's good. I would definitely go back. I would visit the food truck if I ever see it, or if there was a location that had one, I would definitely go. So I would say go try it out for yourself. Other things they had on the menu, they had like some waffle sandwiches with like eggs and stuff in it. You can get extras like avocado. They had savory and sweet. They had a kids menu. They have like teas, milks, juices, and like a soda machine. It was like regular Coke products. But yeah, they had other stuff on the menu. Mostly it was waffles, but they did have other things that included waffles. I'm gonna do a quick disclaimer. So my channel is no red meat and no dairy. I'm going to limit the dairy use I use, because I do notice in my diet I do eat things that have dairy incorporated in it. So I don't want to be on here lying saying that everything is dairy free, because it's not. I'm not going to intentionally put dairy in my products. But if it's made with dairy, like the waffles, I can eat that because my allergy is not that bad. But I don't know about other people's allergies. So I just want to say that it is limited dairy, very, very, very limited. I mostly do not cook with dairy. So yeah, but places that I review probably will have some dairy products in them, just simply because a lot of places do. And dairy is a very common item to cook with. Thank y'all so much for tuning back in with me for another week of foodie goodness, I guess. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And let me know what y'all want me to cook next, review next, eat next, whatever your heart desires. I know somebody in the comments said they wanted me to make something with ground turkey. So that will be in the works for next week. But yeah, let me know if y'all have like a place that you're kind of skeptical about that you'll eat at, or you know, you want a certain recipe for a certain occasion. I got you. So yep, let me know and I'll see y'all next time.